we're fixing up this pasture for a leasee. This is not my land, this is just what I do for a living. And we need water. Well, obviously we got water right here, got quite a bit of it. It's coming from this artesian well. Well, this, not good for cattle. I mean, it's pretty deep. I'm sinking in pretty good. So I figure, I think this is a 4-inch. I saw somehow plumb it up, come up 90, and run it over there to let it drip into a tub that I'll bring down here. That's how I figure I'll do it. At least I'll do it that way until this dries up, and then I can maybe do something here. But this is way too wet, and it's been here for a really long time. I mean, you can tell by all the growth in the water. So let's see what we can do. But somebody's already capped it. I guess there was a pipe there at one point. We'll figure it out. Hopefully this has enough pressure to come up and then come to the right. And I think it does. It's flowing pretty good. But this is an artesian well. Okay, I just set this on there. It is not tight at all. But this is kind of what I got rigged up. It's going to point that way. Right now I'm just trying to see if the water does come up here. Because if it does, then I'll finish it and plumb it out there towards that tank and the truck. I think I hear it working. Work. So I do not know anything about these, but it is not going above around, let's see, 4 inches up this 4-inch pipe. So I'm guessing it has something to do with ground level. I don't know. I'm wondering if I put a smaller gauge pipe, will that work? But I do know that this isn't going to work. So I gotta figure something else out. That's what I had thought about. Help me out here. All right, so my original plan didn't work. I got a bunch of stuff in here. We're gonna go from 4 to 3, then 3 to 1.5 inches. It's gonna come out and go down, come out this hole, come out this way, and then I'm gonna hook up a water hose right here. It's the best way I'm gonna do it, I think. So as long as I stay above about that level right there, I should have flowing water to where I need it. So I'm gonna run that water hose out there and to the left, and it dips down, and hopefully I can get that to fill up a 100-gallon tank that I got sitting over there. We'll see how it works. Now that should work. There's some decent pressure out there. Alright, let's get pipe dope out. All my stuff's already clean, so I shouldn't have to be cleaning anything. But yeah, not pipe dope. Glue. That's got a good flow. Makes me feel like this is actually going to work. Let's see. baby. Alright. Shoot. And turn. Let's go ahead and get this together. Nope, a longer piece. That will work. Maybe that'll push all the way down. Okay, so T, not a T, I need a 90. Oh damn, I put the T on backwards. I mean the 90. That's a joke because you can't. Ha 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 ha. I'm so funny. Alright. Alright, let's check this. Is 1, 2, 3 thumb lengths. This is a shorter one. One, 2, 3 thumb lengths. Let's not cut our hand. Yeah. Why are you cutting with that? Because I can. Because I want to. Oh yeah, baby. Alright. So hopefully this sticks pretty good. I'll do this one first. Damn it. Damn it. Didn't do enough. So you can pull that off. No. You say what? Huh? Oh, good. Oh, I only did 2.5 thumbs. Damn it. Come on, man. You gotta get better at that. There we go. Sweet. I think it's gonna work better. Let's try it. Sucker, that baby is flowing. This actually might work. Alright. Let's get 90 on. Let's go ahead and put all this together first. Got a pretty good flow, so I really think this is actually going to work. Alright. Now, I gotta drag the water hose over here, see how that does. Now, earlier I said something was pipe dope, but it wasn't this. It's pipe dope. We call it pipe dope. I think that bottle actually says thread sealant. Now, they do say don't get it on the first couple threads or you'll be tasting it. Well, I'm not the one drinking it. Cows are. I'm not saying they don't deserve to have nice water. It's just, it's kind of hard to not get threads on the first two. Alright, baby. I'm gonna sense that down. And I'm worried speed that it's gonna start making the inside fill up, like the 4-inch tube on the inside, which is okay because I'm gonna cap it, and then it should be sending more pressure down this hose. But the hose is already run. Yep, it is making that fill with pressure. I mean, making it fill up. So I'm gonna go ahead and cap it. Let's see. And that should be kind of making sure that it runs out that hose. I don't need it super tight. I need all this to be able to come loose if I need it to. Alright. All that should be working. We should have water flow into the tank, hopefully. This is what I got. 4 to 3, 3 to 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, down to 3/4. Attached to this hose. I'm gonna straighten it out, but it's going over here, going to that corner, and hopefully it's flowing right now. I don't know if it is or not. So here's the hose flowing from the well over here to the lowest spot I can get to, right there, and it will not flow. Let me show you. It's at a trickle right now. If I raise it up, it stops. So it's not gonna work unless I take a trench and then place the tub in the ground. But then what if a calf falls in? 100-gallon tub. I don't know. I'll do something else. This was a fail.